What's up, guys? You know who it is, your boy JP the Install Guy, here to make your install life a little bit easier. Today I'm gonna come to you with a very quick video, and I'm just gonna show you how to take these harnesses out. A lot of times in these radio removal videos, they just show you how to take the radio out, and they don't actually show you how to take the harnesses out. Sometimes I do it too, just because I think you don't want to watch that type of stuff. But for the people who don't know how to take them out, I'm gonna do it real quick. If these are the things that you're into, please consider subscribing, because this is what we do here: car audio tutorials, reviews, Q&As, anything car audio install related. That's what the channel is about. Every harness has some type of tab behind the radio that needs to be pressed. Right here is the tab that's in the middle. For the satellite antenna, the factory one, this tab right here needed to be pressed. And what it's doing is, when you press this tab right here on the bottom, there is this little locking mechanism right here that's kind of snapped onto this. So you have to press the tab down in order to pull it out. And same thing with this one right here was for the hazard lights. This little notch right here, I don't know if you can see it, but that little notch right there, when that goes inside of your harness, it is locked in place, and the only way to get it out is to press that part down. Now a lot of times these can be harder to take out, so I'm gonna do one where I take it out with my hand. And sometimes when you press it, you've already taken it down and pulled forward, so you don't need to press it anymore once it's already on its way out, and we can just take it out like that. Or you may need to get something of a flat profile. This is like an O-ring type situation, or you can use a flathead screwdriver or a pick tool. And then what we want to do is use that to actually poke it down. So since this is pushing it down a lot further than what my thumb can go, now I just use that to take it out. And no worries, that radio just kind of rolled over here to the seat, but I just want to make this quick video showing you guys how to take out your harnesses from the back of the radio. If you guys found any value, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. I'd like to take this time to shout out to all the Patreons. You guys go the extra mile in supporting me and the channel, and I'm very excited that I'm able to give you guys so much knowledge and sharing my passion with you guys to where you feel like you want to give me that extra thanks. And so I really do appreciate that. Don't forget, the introduction to car audio training courses are coming soon. And other than that, this your boy JP signing out. Keep growing, keep going, and have a blessed day.